This easy appliance hack will make your kitchen feel new again. You got shaky refrigerator handles? Well, it's an easy fix. Tell your husband to get off his lazy ass and find his Allen wrenches. And then all you got to do is locate the screws on the inside of your refrigerator door handles up here, one up there and one down there. And then they're on the bottom of the freezer handles, which is going to be down here. So you open up the door, get your two screws nice and tight. Just don't over tighten them. And your kitchen feels like new again.